Let's understand this question step by step. A company wants to build an AI-powered educational platform. This platform should do 4 important things: assess a student's knowledge, recommend learning materials, generate personalized exercises, provide lesson structure, and track progress. Now, let's quickly analyze each option. Option A, AI-powered recommendation system. This can recommend learning resources, but it cannot assess students, generate exercises, or manage progress, so this option is too limited. Option B, a large language model fine-tuned on educational content. An LLM can generate content, but by itself, it does not manage lessons, track progress, or adapt learning paths automatically, so this is not a complete solution. Option C, a learning management system, or LMS. An LMS can track progress and manage courses, but it is mostly rule-based, not deeply AI-driven or adaptive by default, so this also doesn't fully meet the requirement. Now comes option D, a customized learning agent. A customized learning agent can assess student knowledge, dynamically adapt learning paths, recommend content, generate personalized exercises, and continuously track progress. It combines AI models, decision-making logic, and personalization into one intelligent system. White heavy checkmark, so the correct answer is option D, a customized learning agent. This best fits an AI-powered personalized education platform.